Good day everyone. Today we will learn how to cook paneer ki bhurji in desi style. All the ingredients have been mentioned in the description below, so make sure you give them a read. Put half cup of refined soyabean oil in the kadai. We have to heat the oil for 1 to 2 minutes. While the oil is heating, we will grind our onions using the grinder. Put the onions into the hot oil. Keep them on flame for 5 minutes. Not more than 5 minutes, just 5 minutes. While onions are cooking, we will peel off the tomatoes skin using a knife. Now we will grind the peeled tomato and chili in the grinder. After it has been nearly 5 minutes, put the tomatoes and chili which we grinded earlier into the pan. We are gonna keep it on flame for just 2 minutes. Now we will add 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder and 1 tablespoon of garam masala. While we are waiting for our 2 minutes to be over, we will prepare our paneer. This is a homemade paneer, it's around 100 grams. Just mash the paneer using your hands. Now put the paneer into the pan and mix steadily. Lower the flame to medium and then keep it on flame for 5 minutes. You can also cover it up if you want to speed up the process. And voila, our paneer ki bhurji is ready. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or doubt, please mention them in the comments below. Happy eating!